Do you think business development is just a fancy term for sales? Think again. Today, we'll dive deep into what business development really means and how you can use it to create lasting value for your organization. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to share with you 10 concise tips to accelerate your business development success. Let's define business development. First and foremost, business development is often misunderstood. It's frequently confused with sales, partnerships, or even general hustling. While these are components of business development, the field itself encompasses a much broader range of activities. Business development involves creating and implementing growth opportunities within and between organizations, and this must be done sustainably, profitably, and to ensure long-term success. One of the core principles of business development is value creation, and this is split between long-term value and evolving value. Long-term value comes from customers, markets, and relationships. It's crucial to understand that value is a subjective concept. What is valuable can vary greatly depending on the company's current stage and strategic priorities. As a company grows, the perception of what is valuable evolves. Early stage companies might value customer feedback highly, whereas established companies might focus on market share and strategic partnerships. Let's now explore how business development applies across different stages of a company's life cycle: startups, scale-ups, and corporates. Let's have a look at startups. The goal for startups is to validate the need for their idea. And this involves strategic business development activities like market research, customer research, competitor analysis, and conducting various experiments to test hypotheses. When the company is scaling up, they aim to sustain and accelerate their growth. They focus more on sales development, entering new markets, producing high-quality content, and building a strong online reputation. This stage is about scaling the processes that have been validated during the startup phase. Once established, corporations aim to consolidate their market position. They leverage substantial resources to run strategic initiatives, execute larger campaigns, and maintain their dominance in the market. This often involves complex, multifaceted strategies that smaller companies may not have the capacity to undertake. Let's turn our attention now to the role of business developers. Business developers are crucial in both sales and marketing departments, but ideally they should function as a separate entity within the organization. They are the creative force, always looking for new ways to open channels and innovate. They collaborate extensively with various departments to ensure alignment and synergy. Let's break down the key activities business developers engage in. The first of these is research. Business developers must possess a thorough understanding of market trends, customer needs, and the competitive landscape. This involves continuously monitoring the industry for new developments, changes in consumer behaviour, and shifts in the competitive environment. By doing so, they can identify emerging opportunities and threats, enabling their organisation to adapt proactively. Comprehensive research helps in crafting strategies that align with current market dynamics and consumer preferences, thus ensuring the company stays relevant and competitive. Moreover, understanding competitors' strengths and weaknesses allows business developers to differentiate their offerings and position their company more effectively in the market. Idea generation. Developing innovative strategies to spur growth is a critical aspect of business development. This process involves brainstorming and creative thinking to identify new ways to expand the company's reach and enhance its value proposition. Business developers must stay abreast of the latest industry trends, technological advancements, and consumer preferences to generate ideas that are both novel and practical. These strategies could range from entering new markets, forming strategic relationships, launching new products or services, or improving existing processes. The goal is to find unique opportunities that can lead to sustainable growth and provide a competitive edge in the marketplace. Experimentation. Experimentation is about testing new approaches and initiatives to determine their viability and effectiveness. This iterative process involves implementing pilot projects or small-scale trials to assess the potential of new ideas without committing significant resources. By experimenting, business developers can gather valuable data and insights, learn from failures, and refine their strategies before scaling them up. This approach minimizes risks and ensures that only the most promising initiatives are pursued further. It also fosters a culture of innovation within the organization, encouraging continuous improvement and adaptation to changing market conditions. Collaboration. Working closely with marketing, sales, and product development teams is essential for successful business development. This collaboration ensures that all departments are aligned and working towards common goals. By fostering strong interdepartmental relationships, business developers can leverage the expertise and insights of different teams to create more effective strategies. For example, marketing can provide data on customer preferences, sales can offer feedback on customer interactions, and product development can highlight technical capabilities and limitations. Collaborative efforts lead to more comprehensive and well-rounded business strategies, ultimately driving the company's growth and success. Project management. Managing projects that involve multiple stakeholders is a crucial skill for business developers. Effective project management ensures that all initiatives are executed smoothly, on time, and within budget. This involves planning, coordinating, and overseeing all aspects of a project, from inception to completion. Business developers must be adept at balancing various tasks, managing resources, and navigating the complexities of stakeholder expectations. Strong project management skills help in developing and maintaining focus, mitigating risks, and ensuring that all team members are working efficiently towards the project's objectives. Successful project management leads to the timely delivery of projects that drive business growth. Lead generation. Identifying and pursuing new business opportunities is a fundamental activity in business development. Lead generation involves researching and pinpointing potential clients, partners, or markets that align with the company's goals and capabilities. This process requires a deep understanding of the target audience and the ability to reach out to them effectively. Business developers use various tools and techniques, such as networking, content marketing, and digital campaigns to attract and engage potential leads. By consistently generating high-quality leads, they ensure a steady pipeline of opportunities that can be converted into profitable business relationships. Negotiation. Persuading internal and external stakeholders to buy into new ideas and partnerships is a key aspect of business development. Effective negotiation skills are essential for securing favourable terms and building strong relationships. Business developers must be able to articulate the value proposition clearly, address concerns, and find mutually beneficial solutions. This involves understanding the needs and motivations of all parties involved and using strategic communication to influence decision-making. Successful negotiation results in agreements that drive growth and create long-term value for the organisation while maintaining positive relationships with partners and stakeholders. Closing deals. Finalising agreements and partnerships is the culmination of all the business processes. This step involves ensuring that all terms are agreed upon, contracts are signed, and both parties are committed to the partnership. Closing deals requires attention to detail, clear communication, and the ability to address any last-minute issues or objections. Business developers must ensure that the terms of the deal align with the company's strategic objectives and that both parties have a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. Successfully closing deals solidifies new business opportunities, drives revenue growth, and expands the company's market presence. Let's talk now about expectations and mindset. Setting realistic expectations in business development is crucial for long-term success. Here are two aspects to consider. Long-term investment. Business development is inherently a long-term endeavour. Unlike short-term sales tactics that might yield immediate results, business development strategies often take time to mature and show significant return. This long-term perspective is vital to remain focused on strategic goals and avoid becoming discouraged by initial slow progress. Embrace failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the business development journey. Rather than fearing mistakes, successful business developers view them as valuable learning opportunities. Each failure provides insight into what doesn't work, helping to refine strategies and improve future efforts. This mindset of embracing failures fosters resilience and innovation as it encourages a culture of experimentation and continuous improvement. Learning from failures accelerates growth and development, ultimately leading to more effective and sustainable business strategies. Let's talk now about some of the aspects which are key to have a mindset for success. A successful business developer embodies a specific mindset characterized by 4 key traits. Firstly, creativity. Creativity is the cornerstone of effective business development. It involves thinking outside the box and developing innovative solutions to complex problems. Creative business developers can identify unique opportunities and devise strategies that set their organizations apart from competitors. This trait is particularly valuable in navigating challenges and finding new ways to create value for customers and stakeholders. Cultivating creativity involves staying curious, exploring new ideas, and being willing to take calculated risks. Learning agility. In the dynamic field of business development, continuous learning is essential. Learning agility refers to the ability and willingness to continuously update one's knowledge and skills. This trait ensures that business developers remain relevant and effective in a constantly evolving market. It involves seeking out new information, staying informed about industry trends, and being open to new methodologies and technologies. Business developers with high learning agility can quickly adapt to changes and leverage insights into driving new areas of growth. Adaptability. Adaptability is the capacity to quickly react to changing market conditions and organizational needs. In today's fast-paced business environment, adaptability is crucial for responding to new opportunities and threats. Business developers who are adaptable can pivot strategies, embrace new technologies, and adjust their approaches based on real-time feedback. This flexibility enables them to remain competitive and capitalize on emerging trends. Cultivating adaptability involves being open-minded, receptive to change, and proactive in seeking solutions to evolving challenges. Persistence. Persistence is the determination to stay focused on long-term goals despite challenges and setbacks. Business development is often fraught with obstacles, and success requires unwavering commitment and tenacity. Persistent business developers do not easily get discouraged by failures or slow progress. Instead, they view these as part of the journey. They keep pushing forward, continually refining their strategies and efforts until they achieve their objectives. This relentless pursuit of goals, combined with the ability to learn and adapt, is a hallmark of a successful business developer. Now, I promised you 10 tips for business developers to achieve amazing success, which I've distilled from this video. Focus on these 10 tips to transform your business development results. 1. Develop a deep understanding of your market. 2. Build strong relationships. 3. Stay persistent and resilient. 4. Leverage data and analytics. 5. Focus on value creation. 6. Enhance your communication skills. 7. Embrace innovation and creativity. 8. Understand the sales process. 9. Continuous learning and development. And 10. Master project management. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. To discover more about business development, the next video will explain to you just how to set your business development objectives and priorities. Just click on the link on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.